welcome back to AmericaTech. We are excited to start a brand new series in our ongoing effort to demystify data analytics in simple terms. In episode 1 of Building Smart Data Systems, we're exploring how businesses turn raw data into actionable intelligence. Data is everywhere, in spreadsheets, apps, sensors, and online platforms, but how do we transform it into insights that drive smarter workflows? Think of raw data as ingredients in a kitchen. On its own, raw data like numbers, text, or logs isn't very useful, and you need to organize, process, and connect it to cook up something valuable, intelligence. Here's the high-level flow. Collect, gather raw data from multiple sources, clean and transform, fix errors, format consistently, model, use semantic models or AI to identify patterns, analyze and decide, generate insights and make smarter decisions. Businesses that connect data effectively can improve decision-making, automate workflows, predict trends and customer needs, and gain a competitive edge. Let's take a real-world example. Imagine an e-commerce company trying to better service their customers. A common process would be: Step 1, raw sales data is collected from multiple stores and platforms. Step 2, semantic models connect product info, customer behavior, and inventory. Step 3, AI predicts which customer segments are likely to purchase certain products. Step 4, targeted marketing campaigns and inventory planning are optimized and executed. This will allow the company to gain valuable insight into the purchase patterns of their customers and offer targeted products and discounts that matter to them most. To recap, raw data is everywhere but needs structure. Organizing and modeling data turns it into actionable intelligence. Smart data systems enable faster, better, and more informed decisions. That concludes our brief introduction to smart data systems. In episode 2, we'll explore how semantic models improve AI accuracy, the secret behind smarter AI predictions. If this helped you understand the big picture of data intelligence, leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your team. Have questions about converting your data to intelligence? Drop them in the comments. We might feature them in the next episode. Thanks for watching. See you in episode 2.